Then the first president of India will get the doctorate. C.V. Raman will get the doctorate. Various dignitaries visited during these times. Shah of Iran, Indonesia president.
KRS
Vrindavan Gardens. So these 4 photographs are a very interesting lot of photographs. Just after his wedding, he embarks on a trip to Europe, and he stops at Italy for a lot of things, for a lot of reasons. This is his father, this is him, this is his wife, sisters and mother. They all sail. Entire ensemble of musicians and all of them, which you will see here. The meeting with the Pope. This is his father, Kandeva Narasimha. And this little girl here, you will see in both the photographs. Can you take a guess of who it is? So just a wild guess.
Those days.
No, you think she's living today. She's an artist of repute. Vaijayanti Malabali. Yes. This little girl here.
Oh, she is related.
And she's here.
Okay.
Her mother was an artist in the Maharajas.
That time they taken.
Yes.
Okay.
And that time they took the entire musicians. You'll see here.
Oh, this is what they have taken there.
Yeah.
Achha.
They were
Vatican.
happily sharing the music, our culture with the Vatican, sir.
So they say.
Yeah, this one. Then that is an interesting picture also here that you see. Maharaja didn't want to become the Maharaja, sir. He wanted to become a classical musician. Yeah, Western classical musician.
Okay.
So Rachmaninoff is a very famous Russian composer of those days. This is 1939, the picture. He goes to meet him while on the same tour to Italy, and he seeks him to take him as a student. This is Maharaja.
Yeah.
And Rachmaninoff accepts him. But unfortunately, what happens while they're sailing back, his father develops complications in his health, and he passes away in Bombay when they
On the way only.
on the way back. 1940, they're coming back. Father passes away. Then his uncle passes away after 4 months. So what happens? He has to take up the throne. He gives that up. And his sister becomes the student. Rani Vijaya Devi Anta. She became a very celebrated pianist of her time.
Those days.
Those days, sir. So this is again an interesting picture. You like the story behind this. He visits Disneyland in 1968 with an intention of making Bangalore Palace Disneyland.
Okay.
Yes. He goes there to
Those
observe.
days only.
Those days, 1968.
The palace ground also.
Palace ground, he wanted to make it as a Disneyland, but unfortunately a lot of things happened. 1974, he passes away. This year is the 50th death anniversary of the Maharaja, sir.
Oh, really?
Yeah, September 23rd, 2024 is 50 years. 1974, he passes away.
So what program we can keep?
I will tell you, sir.
Can you remember this in dance of that?
I have ideas, sir, I will tell you. We should do that.
One more. We
Absolutely.
can call MLAs and then
So one, we can do this photo tribute.
that exhibition will be.
Yeah. And one documentary on him, which we need to show his achievements and
Yes.
everything.
One music program, because he was a musician,
Yeah.
well-known musician who created 97 ragas. So it would be fitting that if we have a small, maybe 20 minutes, 25 minutes of music.
I'll curate that.
You please contact my secretary. I'll be
Yes.
going today.
Huh.
That one day
We
we can
should
celebrate
celebrate.
in the 50th
Yeah.
celebration. And what are the contribution to Karnataka?
Contributions to Karnataka, we must highlight. Yeah.
Maybe this
Especially-
exhibition in different form can also
Yeah,
be
yeah.
presented.
Yeah, absolutely.
And,
Absolutely.
The first, this one also, democracy of initiation
Yes.
was in Mysore only, no?
1881.
Yes.
Chamraja
What is
Vadiyar,
that?
and then, yeah.
He was the first person.
He was the first
who
person
signed
to
it and-
start the
His father.
legislature.
His
No,
father.
his grandfather. His grandfather.
But we need, you just know this 50th function, we
Yeah.
plan it out.
We plan it out, sir. So this is a family picture, total family is here. This is a rare picture again. Probably, we don't know, it's the last picture before he passes away. Because all his daughters are here and his son is here. Two daughters are not yet married. This is the eldest daughter, Gayatri Devi. She passes away before him. And because of a lot of depression on that, they say, added on to the Maharaja's health. Yeah, and within about 6 months he passes away after her passing away. And this is Kamakshi Devi, she is there still today.
Oh.
She couldn't join, I invited her today. She
This is
was-
Raja's daughter, huh?
Maharaja's daughter is here. She is here. Kamakshi Devi is here. Indrakshi Devi is also here in Bangalore. Both the daughters are here in Bangalore. And they had come for an invitation.
What do they do?
So they're, right now they're elderly now. They're having their own business.
Now, this is the daughter.
Daughters, sir.
Now, who is the Rani who is there now? Sons are.
That is Pramoda Devi, his wife, who is in Mysore.
He is brother of his son, no?
He is Shrikanta Datta Narsimharaja.
Yeah.
He is the son of the Maharaja.
Yeah, that's his son, daughter-in-law.
Yeah, daughter-in-law is Pramoda Devi, who is now in the Mysore palace.
Yeah, that's okay.
But this is Kamakshi Devi, this is Indrakshi Devi. They and their families are in Bangalore today.
How many are there?
Only two are remaining, these two.
Then we can, on that day, on
Yeah.
these three also, we can felicit it.
And their husbands are there.
Yeah, that we can invite them.
And their children, grandchildren. This is his first daughter's marriage, Gayatri. This is again a family picture of his sisters and all of them. His mother is here. Queen Elizabeth's visit, you would have seen this picture in many places. 1961, she visited Bangalore. She visits Lalbagh also of the same visit. The China's premier also visited
In
us
those
so
days.
long back, 1961. Then Mountbatten and Edwina Mountbatten. Western music particularly, which he rejuvenated completely, and ನೀವು ಇವತ್ತೇನು ಲಂಡನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಲ್ಹಾರ್ಮೋನಿಯಂ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ, that was started by the Maharaja. I don't know. Like what you have done
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
yesterday, sir. I wanted to see you Gandavaranda badge. He's made Gandavaranda badge for all the MLAs, which is what I really admired. So this is another fascinating story that needs to be documented. He had his own private aircraft with the Gandavaranda logo. You will see here and here.
Yes.
So he had loaned the aircraft to the Prime Minister and the President of India for the unification movement, where they had to travel across India to bring all the states together. So the aircraft was not just the aircraft, he had loaned his pilots also. This is the pilot, Mr. Captain Sundaram, and his wife, Mrs. Usha Sundaram. They were a couple.
Both
And
were
they
pilots.
piloted, sir. And in her free time, she would also act as a air hostess for the flight, because it was always with the Prime Minister or the President. Fascinating story, undocumented, and this was the genesis of the start of the Jaipur school.
Okay.
Jaipur Flying Club was started by the Maharaja. Captain Sundaram becomes the first principal of the school, and then she becomes the first graduate of the school. So this is another interesting story. He visits a deaf and dumb hearing center in the US, and impressed with it, he comes back and starts All India Institute of Speech and Hearing in 1966. Today it's one of the premier institutes
In Mysore.
in Mysore, and he gifts the land also, 22 acres of land. These were all his titles, all his books. If you see what he wrote, look at the number of different topics that he writes on, sir. Gayatri Talkies Anta. I believe Maharaja used to come to Bangalore to watch English movies, and that was becoming cumbersome. So he donates projectors to this particular person and sets up Gayatri Talkies in Mysore, which is today even running. And they have the projectors in their archives there. During one of the Kedda operations, he
Kedda
was
means?
shooting this, making a film. After a short stint of governor of Mysore, he goes to become the governor of Madras before he retires. This is where they meet all the stars. Rajkumar over there, Narsim Raju. This is Vaijayanti Mala.
Oh. What was that girl?
That same girl.
Same.
Really, his reverence to different Swamijis is there. Sringeri, Siddhaganga. And this is Pejawar Mat Swamiji, the previous Pejawar Mat Swamiji, when he was hardly 14 years old. And this is JSS Swamiji's 2 generations before. Builds 3 temples. Lot of this other
From the back with all is there, no? Outside we can see these important photos.
Sure.
Outside. Inside the banquet hall we have.
We can do a program inside the banquet hall.
Yeah.
A befitting program for the
Who is
day.
the senior most who is there?
Madam Kamakshi Devi, she is the 3rd daughter of the Maharaja.
ಮಾತಾಡೋ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ರಾಜಚಂದ್ರ
Matara Drishtindra Rajachandra,
maybe ಒಂದು 10 ನಿಮಿಷ ಅವ್ರು
Rajchandra.
son-in-law of the Maharajas.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
He is excellent speaker and he is my guru for this.
Acha, acha.
Yeah.
ಅವ್ರು
He
ಇದ್ರ
is
ಬಗ್ಗೆ
my-
ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಹೇಳುವಂಥದ್ದು
And he is a very strong orator.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಒಂದು 80 ವರ್ಷನಾ
Late 70s. Early 70s, not even late. Early
He
70s.
speaks well.
He's very
ಕನ್ನಡ
well.
ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷು ಹಿಂದಿ
I'll share some of his here only I wanted him to be here today, but today we had some other preoccupations and I didn't know what your arrival.
We'll discuss.
But,
We'll just have a. I'll talk to secretary. I'll discuss something. What to do.
So one is definitely want to document the history of the Legislative Assembly,
Yeah.
how it started in 1881
Yeah, this is,
and
I
how
want it.
till the present day.
Very good. How
That
many?
is one.
How many days you need?
So when we discuss that, sir, we need a little time. Most of the research work is already done.
All the photos are there.
Photos are there. We need to recreate some scenes. I want to recreate some scenes and make a very good documentary on that. And also documentary on the history of Vidhan Sabha with a different perspective. There are so many perspectives that people don't know about Vidhan Sabha. Those perspectives are what I would mind and maybe the documentary. Both those things yesterday in the letter I gave to you. I think that really
And this, I think I signed an agreement. No.
no, sir, Mr. Om Prakash, we called him yesterday. But we didn't have a discussion.
I will tell you. You will meet Vishalaxmi.
Vishalakshi also now knows,